I'm so happy. Like I said kanina on stage, I really prayed for this. And minanifest ko, talagang kaliname ko na alam ko balang araw magiging calendar girl ako. And ito na nga, totoo talaga ang manifestation. Totoo talaga yung i-claim mo yung mga bagay at ibibigay yun ng universe sa'yo. And I'm so happy. I'm so proud. I've been with Ginebra for a long time and matagal ko na itong nililigawan sa mga boss ko. Boss, kailan na ba ako magka-calendar?
So mahirap ba yung preparation?
Hindi naman. Actually, ayoko kasi na parang sobrang mag-over-prepare ako. I still want to be myself. I still want to look like myself. So, konting diet lang. Medyo naging wake-up call ko nga siya to like live a healthier lifestyle. Kasi I came from a sprain like early this year. So, parang ito na yung naging back on track na ako with my health. And I'm so grateful to Ginebra na ito yung naging push talaga din sa akin.
So, bagay na bagay sa yung team, no? Street side.
Diba? Ako talaga. At saka hindi, yung Ginebra San Miguel talaga, it's because maybe I've worked with them for a long time. Talagang, I think it always feels like home. It always feels like this is somewhere that I belong. And yeah, I'm so happy.
So pagdating sa layout, ikaw ba message dyan? Kasi syempre, yung ipapakita mo, ikaw rin yun.
Syempre, brand knows the brand best. And ako, I know the brand and I trust the brand as much as the brand trusted me. So this is the layouts that we came up with. Yun, full trust talaga sa isa't isa.
And she's very proud to talk for sure.
Sobra. Kanina niya pa akong, well, I'm feeling under the weather today, but talagang binibigyan niya ako ng vitamins, binilan niya ako ng turmeric kanina para, kasi may kakanta nga ako, sabi niya, don't drink cold water. So, ang dami niyang mga ganyang paalala.
Nakita niya ba yung...
Very refreshing yan kasi parang not everybody will support her.
That's right. Well, hindi siya ganun ka, like, totally, I'm for it. But, you know, it's something that I really wanted and hindi siya nangyayalam sa mga bagay na gusto ko at saka talagang supportive siya sa akin.
Nakita niya na ba yung layout? Anong sabi niya?
Hindi niya pa nakita.
Pag nakita niya, tingin mo na sasabihin.
Ano kayo sasabihin? I'm sure matutuwa siya. Girlfriend niya yan, oh!
So ano magiging reaction mo? You're being part ka na ng pop culture.
Sobrang laking honor nito talaga sa akin. And yun nga, tulad din na sinabi ko kanina, coming from may P Awards back tayo in the past, may Yasi person tayo, ang lalaking mga pangalan, ang gagandang mga babae, napaka-sexy. And to be in that cluster, to be in that roster of beautiful women and empowered women, I feel very honored. It's a privilege. I take it really as a blessing also na nagpapandi ako nito.
This is being more serious for you.
Parang matagal naman na ako. Have you seen Flower Girl?
Oh, yeah.
Parang naunahan na ni Flower Girl yung pagiging calendar ko. But, yeah, I'm ready to do anything. At this point, I'm 29. I'm very fearless. And I want to make more meaningful roles and more meaningful characters for people to makarelate sa akin. And siguro mas mag-reach out pa through social media para mas marami pa akong tao, mas marami pa akong buhay na matouch.
So ang daming blessing in 2025. Paano mo i-wrap up ang year?
Paano ko i-wrap up ang year? Punong-puno ng pasasalamat kahit sa mga panahon na even on the days that you don't feel like it, you know, even on the days that you're down, even on the days that you're sad, papanaigin ko palagi yung gratefulness ko, and that's how I'm going to end this.
How are you spending your Christmas?
Well, I'm spending my Christmas as usual with my family, and after Christmas, baby Dom and I will have a trip.
Ano makakataman sa'yo sa What Ties? Grabe na yung
Grabe. Asan na ba tayo? Ay, nawawala si Mel ngayon. So, abangan nyo, mahahanap pa si Mel. Kamay ba yun ni Mel?
Sinedong ba?
Sino ba yun? Sino ba ang kumuha kay Mel? Bakit siya nawawala? So, exciting. So, ang i-expect nyo sa What Lies Beneath is you have all these wonderful, amazing characters in front of you na hindi kayo mabubore manood. Kasi ang dami yung variations and sobrang magiging mas exciting at mas suspense pa lalo. Thank you!
That was last question. So, ano, kasi diba, mga calendar girls before, nagtatopless, ikaw ba naging consideration mo kailangan kukulsam ka pa?
Hindi naman. Ako ang wala. It wasn't really, wala akong inhibitions yun na. Like I said, as much as the brand trusted me, I trust the brand 100%. And hindi lang siguro yun naging they didn't really see me siguro doing that for this layout, but for these layouts. Pero I'm open to it.
And willing ka na rin ba na syempre pagtapating kayo ni Andrea Brilliant?
someone out there who is watching. And I'm proud of her really for what she's achieved in her launch also. And sana proud din siya sa Ate Sue niya. Na ito naman si Ate Sue.
So,
It's time.
So, part din ba ng contract mo as calendar girl na wag munang mag-asawa? Kasi syempre ang
May
dami
kontrata. Parang breach of contract na po yun pag sinabi ko. Charot. Hindi ko alam. Actually, hindi ko yan